Navigating life after a Baker Act hold. What you need to know. A Baker Act hold can be a challenging and confusing experience, and the aftermath can be just as daunting. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you understand your rights and options after a 72-hour hold, ensuring you're well-informed and empowered to take the next steps. The Baker Act and its aftermath. Unraveling the mystery. A Baker Act evaluation is a confidential medical process, not a criminal matter. It's designed to ensure the safety and well-being of individuals experiencing mental health crises. Here's what you need to know about the process and its impact. Emotional roller coaster. After discharge, individuals often face a whirlwind of emotions, appointments, and questions about privacy, work, and recovery. It's normal to feel overwhelmed, and seeking support from trusted friends and family is crucial. Privacy concerns. Your Baker Act evaluation record is protected by law. Employers cannot access it without your written consent or a court order. Judges grant access only for valid reasons, ensuring your privacy. Workplace protections. Good news. The ADA and the Florida and Medical Leave Act safeguard your job. You don't have to disclose your condition to your employer, and they cannot fire you solely because of a mental health issue. However, be aware of workplace rules and potential consequences for job performance. Discharge and the first steps. The discharge process is carefully planned to ensure a smooth transition to outpatient care. Planning ahead. Medical staff at the facility start planning your discharge immediately, coordinating resources and support systems to prevent relapse or deterioration. Discharge package. By the time you leave, you'll receive essential information, medication details, coping strategies, treatment plan overview, potential therapies, follow-up care, and community resources. Post-discharge actions. Immediately after discharge, review your discharge papers, make appointments, fill prescriptions, and seek support from loved ones. Privacy. Who knows what? Your Baker Act evaluation record is confidential, protected by Florida law and HIPAA. Here's how it works. Employer access. Employers can't access your record without your written release or a court order. Judges grant access only for valid reasons, prioritizing your privacy. Court records. Baker Act case files are exempt from public records, so online docket searches won't reveal details. Judges can issue orders to limit online information further. Workplace and job security. Your rights. You have rights when it comes to work and job security. No mandatory disclosure. You don't have to tell your employer about the Baker Act. They cannot fire you solely due to a mental health condition. HIPAA protection. Your doctor and hospital are bound by HIPAA, preventing them from sharing mental health information without your consent. ADA and leave. The ADA protects against discrimination based on disability, including mental health. You can take job-protected leave for up to 12 weeks without disclosing your diagnosis. Reasonable accommodations. If you disclose your condition, employers must provide reasonable accommodations, like time off for treatment, unless it poses an undue hardship. Background checks. What's visible? While the Baker Act won't appear on standard criminal background checks, it's important to understand its potential impact. Specialized checks. Certain professions or security clearances may require specific mental health history questions, including involuntary commitments. Lying on applications can have serious consequences. Firearms and concealed carry. A routine Baker Act evaluation doesn't bar you from buying firearms or concealed carry licenses. However, further involuntary placements or commitments ordered by a judge can lead to gun purchase blocks and license denial or revocation. Remember, staying informed and seeking support is crucial. If you have questions or concerns, reach out to professionals or organizations specializing in mental health. Your well-being and rights are paramount, and understanding these aspects will empower you to navigate life after a Baker Act hold with confidence.